What's up, guys? It's your girl Lillian here, and I'm going to be showing you guys today the that sounded really bad. The Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. On tonight's episode, we did a commercial for Charlotte Tilbury and the hot lips, and I just thought I would show you, since we all had to pick one color to show off or whatever, and I picked Electric Poppy. I just thought I would show you guys every single color that we got, and of course it's gonna look different on you guys compared to me, but I just thought I would show you guys. The thing we got from Charlotte Tilbury from the show is this little kit, and it has like little lips around it. It's so cute, and it's a Charlotte Tilbury, and it's all her little hot lips in it. It's super cute. It has little carriers. But her hot lips all her lipsticks have this little symbol on them, her Charlotte Tilbury symbol. And what is so cute, I'm gonna get a hotter color so you can actually see what it looks like. Okay, that's new. Which one's this? This is, it has little lips on it, little hot lips on it. This is really hard. It's not focusing. It's not focusing. Anyways, it has little hot lips, little lips on it, and it is so cute. So cute. And I just want to give a shout out to Charlotte Tilbury, because she gave us all these amazing lipsticks, and she gave us her Wonder Glow, which is like you put it on your face before you put foundation or anything on, and it gives you this glowy effect that if you want that dewy, glowy skin, it works like magic. So just get into it, okay? We're gonna start with Live It Up. It's kind of like a nude color. Hold on. It's like a nudish pink color. So, it's so perfect. I don't want to mess it up. Alright, let's just get into this. Good. I like this color. I actually might. I'll be using you. I'll be using that one. Well, let's Live It Up for you. I'm gonna try. I can't read it. Oh my god. Bosworth's Beauty. Didn't know. Ooh. Look at this color, guys. This is a really pretty color. It's like, it looks really harsh on camera, but it's like, it's not a super hot pink, but at the same time it is. And I don't know, Okay. Well, not much to say about that, other than I don't feel like it looks good on me. It might look good on some of you guys, but it's not. Next, Secret Selma. This is the one that my mom really likes. I haven't used it, but this is the one my mom really likes. It's like it looks super light on here, but it's a really dark, it kind of looks like purplish tinted. My lips just look really big. I don't know. Well, there's that one. I actually like this one. Next is Super Sydney. This is the one that also my mom really likes. This one's inspired by Cindy Crawford. It's just like it looks really pink, but it's like it's like a super nude. It looks like my top lip. I like this color. This one's cute. I actually like this one. Like if it was like a big event or something and I was wearing like a white or a black dress or something like that, yeah, I'd probably throw this on. I like this one. Next is Hell's Bells. Hell's Bells. It's like a midnight color. Like a really dark purple. What do you guys think? Would you hit me up if I had this lipstick on? I wouldn't. Next is Kim KW. Now this is the one color I'm not a fan of. Like, it looks really good on her, but it's not gonna look, it doesn't look good on me. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys, that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be showing you that, yep. Maybe scoot back. Then I need to be closer so that, yeah, be all up in y'all's business.